Today we're diving into a slick tool called the Trendline Breakout Navigator by LuxAlgo. This indicator takes the grunt work out of trendline analysis by autoplotting 3 types of trend lines on your chart. We'll break down what it does, how it works, and a couple of ways to trade with it. If this clicks for you, smash that like button. It helps a ton. To kick things off, head over to TradingView, my go-to platform. No account? Grab one with the link in the description. Load up any asset and time frame you vibe with. Then hit the Indicators tab, search Trendline Breakout Navigator, of course by LuxAlgo. Big shout out to them. And on it. This thing's a beast, automatically drawing trend lines to spot the market's direction, breakouts, retests, and bounces of key levels. It's all about making trend line analysis smooth and hands-off. So what's on your chart? You get 3 trend lines, a solid long-term one, a backbone of the market's main trend, a dashed medium-term line showing a broader moves with that trend, and a dotted short-term line tracking quick price shifts. These start as horizontal lines from swing points, connecting to a higher low, or let's say bullish, or lower high, or let's say bearish. The indicator is smart. It tweaks lines if historical closes breach them. You'll also see optional HH, or higher high, or double L, or let's say lower low labels, hinting at the trend shifts tied to your chosen trendline term. Another dope feature? Colored dots. Blue dots show up when price wicks through a bullish trend line in an uptrend, forming a higher low without closing below. Orange dots appear when price wicks through a bearish trend line in a downtrend, forming a lower high without closing above. These flag potential trend continuations or reversals. Bar colors shift based on where price closes relative to the trend lines. Green gradients, so let's say darker if below medium or short-term lines when above the long-term line. Red gradients, or let's say darker if above medium or short-term when below. You can also toggle a background color. Green for breaks above bearish trend line or double H's. Red for break below bullish trend lines or double L's to instantly gauge market bias. Settings give you control. The period setting lets you base trend lines on a higher time frame, like 4-hour lines on a 30-minute chart for multi-time frame analysis, up to 5,000 bars back. Swing length sets how many candles define a swing point. Higher numbers mean bigger, longer-term swings. Customize colors for bullish or bearish lines and wick dots. And choose whether double H or double L labels and background colors tie to long, medium, or short-term trend lines. You can also toggle labels for background colors on or off. I like setting a higher time frame, like 4-hour trend lines on a 30-minute chart for a broader view. How do you trade this? It's straightforward. Short-term trend line breaks often lead to the medium-term line. Price heads for the long-term line, the toughest of the trio. For a bullish setup on, say, 4-hour trend line on a 30-minute chart, check for a green background or let's say bullish bias. Wait for a short-term bearish trend line to break upward, signaling a continuation. Enter log, set a stop below the recent swing low, and target the next medium-term bearish line. Since higher time frame lines can opt at mid-trade, adjust or exit if a key level shifts.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
For a longer trend ride, try this. After a bearish long-term trend line breaks upward and the new bullish long-term line forms, look for a pullback to that line with a blue dot, or let's say wick through, no close below. Wait for the short-term bearish trend line to break upward for confirmation. Enter long, stop below the blue dot, swing low, and target a major prior high. If a medium-term line breaks too, move your stop to break even or add it to your position. For bearish setups, flip it. Red background, short-term bullish trend line breaks downward, or orange dots on bearish lines with a short-term bullish break.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next.
Trendline Breakout Navigator is a solid tool, automating complex trendline work. It gives you long, medium, and short-term views, flags swing points with AA and AA labels, highlights bounces with dots, and uses bar or background colors for instant trend and momentum cues. Perfect for multi-time frame analysis and spotting breakouts or continuations. But this is not a financial advice. These are just examples. Build a full strategy with your own price action, smart money concept, or other tools, and back us truly. And if you're looking for the best strategies ever, make sure to check the recommended playlist on your screens. Love this? Hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.